For most household projects, the best glues for plastic are super glue, epoxy, or solvent cement, but the right one for you depends on the product and how much time you have. Super glue is easy to use and great for small repairs, but liquid epoxy glue can provide a stronger hold. Epoxy putty is shaped with your hands and useful for filling in gaps. Also keep in mind that many glues don't provide a lasting hold on polyvinyl chloride, PVC, so if you're looking to join PVC, you'll want an industrial-grade solvent cement that's specifically formulated for the material. Most glues cannot be used with polyethylene or polypropylene plastics, so always check the glue's packaging to confirm that the formula is okay to use with your plastic. Number 1. A fan favorite super glue for most plastics. Works with all plastics except polyethylene and polypropylene. When you need a glue that dries clear and dries quickly, opt for the Gorilla Super Glue Gel. It begins to harden in just 10 to 45 seconds, which means you won't be stuck holding the plastic parts together for minutes on end. But according to the manufacturer, it's best to give it 24 hours to fully cure before applying any weight to the plastic. Depending on the specific materials you're gluing together, its tensile strength rates in the 500 to 1500 psi range. Plus, the formula is thick enough to make it easy to control where it goes. While the glue isn't water resistant, it can be used on a variety of surfaces, including vertical ones like walls. The cap features an anti-clog metal pin to help keep the glue fresh after you've opened it. You can buy one 20-gram bottle at a time or grab it in packs of 2 or 10. Positive Amazon review. This glue works great. An actual super glue that actually works. I prefer this gel because it's thicker than the regular type and won't run all over the place, accidentally gluing your fingers together. I have used it on porcelain, plastics, hard rubber with great results. Number 2. A super glue you can use on every type of plastic. Works with all plastics. This super glue system might look like an epoxy at first glance because it has a two-step process, but it's actually a super glue that comes with a primer to help prep smooth plastics. You don't have to mix the two formulas together. Just apply the plastic primer and let it dry, then apply the glue. The glue sets in seconds, but you should give it 12 to 24 hours to fully cure. The plastics bonding system works on all plastics, including polypropylene and polyethylene. It's water resistant but not waterproof, has a tensile strength of 290 to 2900 psi, and dries clear. It also doesn't shrink as it dries and can be sanded and drilled once hardened. It isn't safe to use on surfaces that come in contact with food or potable water, though. Positive Amazon review.